Hey, this is Hunter Murphy, Timothy Hunter Murphy. Been in this house 5505 11th Court South for less than 3 days. And we just took a shower and came downstairs to leave and saw these pipes leaking water everywhere. And this is where it's coming from. And as you can see, it's just coming by the electricity. And all the way out to the house.